Namaste to everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sifria, and for today we are going to make a virgin pina colada. Here you go. For virgin pina colada, you need pineapple juice, pineapple juice, vanilla syrup. If you have a vanilla ice cream, that will be so good. If you don't, then you can use vanilla syrup. And also you need coconut syrup. Now we are going to make it. For virgin pina colada, you need about 400 ml pineapple juice,
60 ml.
about 60 ml vanilla syrup, about 30 ml coconut syrup, also you need ice, about 5 cubes to make it chill. Now the recipe is done. We are going to blend it. This is so easy. This is so easy to make it and very tasteful juice. Now your virgin pina colada is ready. Now you just fill up in glasses or plastic cups. Photo खींचना.
वीडियो बंद कर.
Here is, you can see the cream, white cream. Now your virgin pina colada is ready. I hope you like it. You can make it this juice very easy. It's a recipe in your home, in your restaurant, in your hotels. There you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, I just wanted to tell you that please subscribe my channel, like, comment below if you want to see some more updates. Till next time, take care of yourself, be healthy and happy. Thank you.